Cabin M426 on deck 15 of the Regal Princess is a cozy interior stateroom, category IB, offering 175 square feet of comfort. The queen bed can be converted into two twin beds, and you'll find a bathroom with shower only, a spacious closet, convenient shelves, a desk, and two nightstands, perfect for keeping everything organized during your cruise. If you enjoyed this tour, be sure to check out my other Regal Princess videos for more stateroom and ship highlights.